guys are safe. I hope you guys are practicing social distancing, and I hope you guys are having a good day. But today, my persuasive speech will be on nuclear energy and why nuclear power is the viable energy source for the future. Nuclear energy. The first thing people think of when the word nuclear comes to mind is destruction, atomic bombs, and radioactive waste. But I'm here to tell you that there are more things than just that. In my speech, I will explain why nuclear energy is the best way that the world should turn to. As of right now, nuclear power controls roughly 10% of the world's total electricity, but is the reason why the world's carbon level decreased by 29%. We need a new type of energy source for the future, and nuclear energy is the way. Today, I will talk about what nuclear energy actually is, why we need a new resource, and why nuclear energy is the best solution for the world. Now, on to my first topic. What is nuclear energy? Nuclear energy is the energy from splitting atoms, creating steam, to turn turbines and create electricity. These type of reactions happen in a power station that generates the steam from the nuclear reaction, called a nuclear plant. There are roughly 98 nuclear plants in the world, including the one that we have here in South Carolina in Oconee County. Now, I know you're wondering why we need a new resource in the first place when we use fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gases. But these fossil fuels cause so much problems in the world. One of the main problems that fossil fuels have is that they are the cause of the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is caused by the burning of fossil fuels and the high level of carbon dioxide which is released by burning these fossil fuels. The greenhouse effect actually causes the heating up of the world, melting polar ice caps, and raising sea levels. So just imagine all the animals in the North Pole losing their habitats and basically their lives because of the toxic gas that humans are producing. Another bad thing about global warming is that the rising sea levels actually has a bad effect on the coastal habitats and coastal homes. Another reason why fossil fuels are bad is that they are a limited supply. According to National Geographic, it takes millions of years and pressure to make these fossil fuels that we use today, which ultimately means that these are unreusable. You cannot reuse these. What will happen when there's no more fossil fuels left? Nuclear energy. That's why we need nuclear energy. The Nuclear Energy Institute talks about how many benefits nuclear energy has. One of the main benefits is that it fights against the climate change, better known as global warming. This is a carbon-free energy source and also does not produce toxic gases such as nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide, which also harms the earth and the living organisms in it. Another good reason why we should use nuclear energy is that it's a reusable source. Unlike fossil fuels, you cannot run out of nuclear energy, and then we can also use nuclear energy to produce better environment situations. After explaining all the good things about nuclear power, everyone should be on board with this. After understanding what nuclear energy is, how it can help, and why we should change our ways now, why would nuclear energy not be the first choice? Fossil fuels are running out fast, and we need a solution quick. Nuclear energy is the best option to further our discovery in energy while also repairing the world from the damage of the greenhouse effect caused by these fossil fuels. So, instead of using fossil fuels, we should go ahead and transverse to nuclear energy because it will help our world. Thank you.